Okay, as you can see, we have all the necessary parts. Wait. Well, I'll pull it out later when I. Okay. So, we're gonna make egg in a basket. On one side, I'm gonna use fake butter, and on the other, I'm gonna use proper butter. Well, kind of. Watch. Yeah, get that.
Joseph Grasser, any update on the work you're doing to restore the habitat of the farming? It's funny actually. So, we're
Okay. All right, we got that.
And when we first moved in,
Okay. That was exhausting. We don't need this anymore. Put that in this fridge. Okay. All right. So now we're gonna put this in the frying pan for now, and we gotta cut our hole. Okay. We'll do it off center so we don't cut our bread. That'd be a crime in some of these. Smushy smush. Is it going through? Might have to do it again. Whoa, don't do that. There we go. Now we got it loose. Okay. There. Let's get the towel there. Okay, good. Now, we got our butter melting. Oh yeah. Doing good. So, we're going to put the bread with the fake butter side up in there. And now, straighten that out a little bit so it knows what it's doing. There we go. Okay.
Today I was out cutting
Alright, gotta rinse off my hands now.
shrub just
Alright. Wipe off this knife. There we go. That one too. There we go. Okay. Let's get that a little closer. Alright. So this is, eggs in a basket. We'll put just a little spritz of salt on there. Just a tiny little. Well, maybe a little. There we go. That way. Oh, yeah. Oh, I gotta put that in there too. This dish here was featured on that movie V for Vendetta. Both Stephen Fry's character and Hugo Weaving's character make this. Yeah. Oh yeah. I don't know. Maybe that's right. Try it. Oh God. And there. Woo. All right. Oh yeah, I'm gonna put just a little bit of cheese. Not enough to really change the recipe, but Oh, actually, I better take care of that first. Just a little spritz of cheese. Barely perceptible. Glue some of the spots together. There we go. Don't want to raise our cholesterol too much. Yeah. Yes, you have a fast car. Thank you.
Spacewalk ready.
It's going really good. Yep.
upgrade its instruments, and then boost.
I think if I stop here, I'll have a little bit of a runny or gelled yolk instead of the well done I had yesterday. So we're gonna call this good. Put that there. Put that there.
Decided, are there any unicorn tries to make
All right.
So I think my